Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T60 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with finding and opening the camera app. So let me tap on it, and unfortunately I will have to turn the device. So if you've got your device, all we have to do is to enter the settings, which are right here in the right upper corner in this configuration. And in the camera settings, we have to find the countdown duration. As you can see in this device, we've got 3 different options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. It will be immediately applied here. So now we can go back to the camera and all we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Of course you can always remove the timer, so turn it off, just get back to the same section, so the settings, countdown, and just choose off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.